Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super. They're up on the bridge. Yeah, we're up on the Morant Bay Bridge. We're there on the Morant Bay Bridge. And we have a breaking story here. We have some residents. Blessings, one love, one love, one love. Some residents call me to take a look over in the bridge. So we will take a look over in the water. We will take a look over in the water, people. And when we look over in the water, people, we don't know if the camera that good, but there's a lot of fish, dead fish, floating around in the water running underneath the bridge. So there's a lot of dead fish floating in the water. Yeah, a lot of dead fish floating in the water underneath the bridge. And my viewers and subscribers, more you look at that. That way, between 48 hours, that will bring a stench over the community. We live down this side and over the shopping district. And it look like them throw some chemical in the water, and away from throwing the chemical in the water, the gully here need to clean out. Look on the gully. So we are asked the mayor and the team, the parish council team, to come up here, come take a look on this gully here, because this gully is a disaster in the making, with the stench with the dead, with a lot of fishes them were floating around in this gully here. This is a health risk. Yeah, this is a health risk wilding up in the town of Morant Bay. This definitely is a health risk. And I'll go up the road because I'm going to see if I can find any resident who can tell me why you have so many dead fishes in the gully, and what kind of chemical them could have put upstream because so many fish be being floating in this gully here. So my viewers and stuff, we're right in the intersection, and we are telling us the gully need to clean, and this is a health risk. So you said the gully need to clean, and I wonder if them throw any chemical upstream.
Well, I don't think no chemical throw from upstream.
Yeah.
The gully continue keeping dirty all the time.
So may I ask something, because you live here for years, right? So something it's a recurring decimal.
Constantly all the time it happens.
Okay, so when the gully clog up, the fish them lose oxygen.
Right.
And then all of these dead fish come down.
Right, and then in there the gully dirty.
Yeah, and when the fish them die, the whole place will stink, don't it?
The whole place will stink because it starts stink already.
It starts stink already.
Yeah, the whole place is stink.
Oh gosh.
You can walk on the bridge. When I go up on the bridge, man, maybe you have to cover
Yeah, because I don't let me go. I mean, I ask the man, say, what make the fish them die so?
Yes, I have to cover my nose because it stink. Very stink.
Why, and that is not lovely. So, I take a look at the back of your yard and the gully.
Yeah.
So, my viewers and subscribers, a kind lady, we live on the gully bank here. She said me to take a look, run on the gully. We run underneath the bridge at the entrance to the town. And I tell the people, sometimes I have to ask myself, I say, every time I come and look on some situation in Jamaica, I ask myself, how when the country really reached to this? That's one of the questions that come to my mind. And the next question that comes to my mind is, if we all go sit down and make the country get worse than this? You understand? Look on the gully. Look on the gully, I treat need to clean, you know. The gully not clean, what you think is going to happen? Fishes them are going to start dying because they not get no oxygen. And any chemical they throw upstream are going to make things worse. And how you clean a gully like this when it stays so? You understand? You forget bulldozer and truck and all of them something, but this need to clean out. This can't stay so. Why may I tell you, the nice beautiful town of Morant Bay.
Talk.
Yeah, talk.
gully, my face in the pan.
No, man. We are
The
here.
gully and Queen Street.
Yeah.
Worse than Riverton City. It stink. Not even, I saw Riverton City all the time on the phone.
Yeah.
And the media and sitting and it not that they stink. So, they need to come and deal with the gully because the bowl of the fish them are dead in the gully and the place stink and the mosquito and everything.
Yeah.
We mad for poison around here with this dirty gully.
Yeah. That not nice. That can't nice. I mean I think no.
Please send
no member
somebody come and deal with the gully. The gully is a disgrace.
Yeah, really.
Stink.
The gully.
Walk on the bridge.
This is urgent.
We cannot cross it.
Yeah, this is
But when
urgent.
we cross the bridge,
Yeah.
we're mad for dead. We think we smoke sick.
Alright.
Please, don't come and clean the gully.
Alright.
Alright, sir.
You hear me viewers and subscriber. So as we're there, right at the bridge, where the gully, that famous Morant Bay bridge, we just ask the authority please to come send a team and come and see if we can clean this gully. We are call upon the mayor for some assistance. Because this is a health risk. My viewers and subscriber. This is a health risk. So see if you guys can send a team and come get this thing sorted out.